In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly delete old emails in Gmail to free up storage space. First, make sure you're on a computer, using a web browser. This method doesn't work properly in the Gmail mobile app, so it's important that you're on the desktop version, whether you're in the UK, the USA, Europe, Canada, or anywhere else. Open Gmail and sign in if you're not already. At the very top of your inbox, you'll see a search bar. We're going to use this search bar to find only the emails that are old enough for you to safely remove. In the search bar, type older than 3Y. This example will find all emails older than 3 years. You can change that number to whatever you like. For example, use older than 1Y for emails older than 1 year, or older than 2Y for 2 years. Once you've typed your chosen time frame, press Enter on your keyboard. Gmail will now show you all the emails that match that search. Depending on how long you've had your account, this might be a lot of messages. By default, Gmail only shows 50 emails per page, so we need to select all of them, not just the first page. Above your email list, on the left, you'll see a small empty square. This is the Select box. Click that square. You'll notice that the first 50 emails on the page are now highlighted as selected. Right after you do that, look just above the list of emails. You should see a line of text that says something like, "Select all conversations that match this search." Click that text. This is the crucial step that tells Gmail to select every single email that matched your search, not just the 50 you can see. Now that all those old emails are selected, look for the trash can icon along the top row of buttons. Click the trash can to move all selected emails into the trash folder. They're not gone forever yet, but they're out of your inbox. To permanently remove them and free up space, go to the trash folder in the left-hand menu. Inside Trash, look for the option that says Empty Trash Now. Click that, then confirm by clicking OK. Gmail will permanently delete all those old emails, and you'll have successfully cleaned up your account.